how to book a speaker in 5 easy steps. Thanks for joining us. For nearly 20 years, the Sweeney Agency has been helping people like you find great speakers for events. Using feedback from our clients, we've made the researching, reviewing, and booking of the right speaker amazingly easy. Step 1. Call us to share your event theme, date, location, and details of your audience. Whatever the theme, we work with speakers around the world across a vast range of topics and can help you find the perfect fit. If you need some help getting inspired, check out our idea generator to receive a customized list of speaker ideas right away. Step 2. Help us help you by telling us about your expected outcomes and goals for the speaker's presentation. We'll share with you special questions that will help you determine the kind of speaker you need. Questions like, which one of the following outcomes do you want the audience thinking at the end of the speaker's presentation? Is it number 1? That was inspiring and motivating. What's next on the agenda? Or number 2? That was fascinating. I can't wait to get back to my job to use those ideas. Or number 3? That was eye-opening. I should talk to my colleagues, Frank and Susan, about what we just heard. Hearing your answers to questions like these will give us the information we need to do the research. Step 3. After our discussion, we'll review your needs with our team and produce a short list of impressive speaker ideas with presentations that speak specifically to what we discussed. Each speaker profile is vetted by us and comes with not only the speaker details, but also our own insights on how a particular speaker will fit with your event theme. No two lists are the same, as each one is tailored precisely to each client. Step 4. Once you've narrowed down the shortlist to a few preferred speakers, we'll do a deep dive with you by sharing our experience with the speakers you've chosen. We'll tell you from our research which speakers are better with large groups and which ones are better with smaller groups, who's really good at opening an event, and who you should never put on last. We know which speakers are great at closing an event, and which ones need to go on early as they have lots of content. We'll tell you who uses a lot of humor to get their message across, and which speakers use lots of visuals. By taking the time to share with you our first-hand insider's knowledge of our speakers, together we can make sure you have all the information to make the right decision. That's our commitment to you. Step 5. Once you've chosen the speaker, you can sit back and relax, knowing that we'll handle all of the details. From organizing a call with your chosen speaker, to customize their presentation to precisely meet your needs, to managing the logistics, our agents will manage every step of the process, letting you focus on the bigger picture. We've built our business based on our commitment to providing the best, personalized service to you, our clients. With great advice drawn from over 20 years in the speaking business, we always find great speakers for our events and can't wait to find your next great speaker. How easy is that? Your next step? Give us a call or send us an email so you can experience our exceptional customer service and be inspired by our incredible speakers. Derek at thesweeneyagency.com, 1-866-727-7555. You can also check us out online at www.thesweeneyagency.com. We look forward to helping you find your next great speaker.